kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to teach you how you can debug your Android apps in Android Studio. Okay guys, so debugging and removing the errors are very important when you build a good and a big app. So basically you debug the code and you see if where there are the values and what are the values, and how you can remove the null pointer exception, or you can also check the values of variables or objects if they are null or if they are not null. Alright, so debugging is very important and you should know about it. So in this video I am going to teach you how you can do that. Alright, so let's get started. So as you can see, we have this project with this main activity and we have this interface, but as you can see we will debug the code here. So how we can debug the code? So let's see if we want to fetch all the data from this city weather object. So okay, so how can I do that? So I will click on here and you can see this is the red icon, and also if I want to test it in this line, so I can also do that. So it is also beneficial to use this debugging if you want to know the flow of your program, like which methods are called first and which methods are called after it. So here I will also override a method that is on resume. Alright, and also here let me write alright. So I will also click on there and I will have this red line. And also now if you want to run it, so you need to click on this icon, and this is attached debugger to Android process. And okay, so since our app is not running, so you won't see anything here. So you first of all need to run your app. Alright, here you can see I have this app, I have this phone connected with this Android Studio. Okay, so now the app is getting installed on my phone. Okay, so now the app is installed on my phone, but we did not attach the debugger. Now we can click on that and there you can see this line, so we click on OK, and yes, now the debugger has been started. So as you can see, when we opened our app, all these lines were executed, so we cannot see anything inside this debugger. So what we can do is we can just close it, and now we will again open it. So if I open it, so there you can see here this on resume method is called, and okay, it is it did not come in this on create method right now. So what we can do if we want to continue this, so you need to click on there, and now it is again here. Alright, and now we can get the values from this city weather object. So here you just need to point your mouse and here you can see plus here. Okay, so these are the values inside this object. So if I want to, let's say I want to check their main, and there you can see humidity is 88 and the pressure is this and this. Alright, so if you want to find the value, so you can also click on plus sign here, and here you can write the code. So let's say if I want to fetch the values from city weather, so click city weather and press OK. So there you will be able to see all these things. Okay, but you can also fetch a specific value. For example, if you want to search city weather dot get weather, and there you can see it is an array of index 0 of size of length 0, and there you can see all the description of this array list here. Alright, so that is the way of using the debugger in your Android application, and after you are done with it, you can just stop it by clicking on this red icon. Alright, so I hope that you have understood how you can easily debug your Android applications. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.